Hello? Is it me you're looking for? Welcome to our A-liner. Oh, hi Gus. Yeah, no, Gus, sit. As you can see, space is a problem in the A-liner. Can you like clip stuff together? Am I what are we doing? We bought an A-liner 2 months ago and we realized right away one of the biggest problems with our A-liner is the location of the outlets. So we have two outlets. One is actually underneath the bed, very difficult to get to if you have the bed pulled out, and the other is underneath the sink. And if you are sitting at the dinette, which is where you would most likely be sitting if you are stuck in your A-liner, you have to have this setup, which as you can see doesn't work very well when you have two adults and a dog in a small space. So this is the first modification we're making to our A-liner, is to solve our electricity problem. All right, you want to go inside and install this? Okay, so that's our modification for adding an outlet to an A-liner where you would actually use it. Join us next time when we fix this dumb table. So what do we want to say? Like, so that's our modification for adding an outlet where you would actually use it. You can wrap the cords a little nicely. Not hanging all over, but
you can come over here and do this. Okay.
Look how much better this is. No cords all over the floor.
Yeah.
What do you think?